Hi boys and girls, I hope you had time to do the daily math review, and now we're going to self-assess and check our work. Okay, so let's start with the first box. What number is 4 groups of 10? So that means we're going to be counting by tens 4 times. I'm going to show my work kind of in the side here. Okay, so we're going to count by tens 4 times. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So if I have 4 groups of 10, that makes 40. Did you get that? Give yourself a check if you did. If you didn't, you could always fix your work. Now we're going to move on to the next box. Use the pictures to complete the number bond. Okay, so for the number bond, we have to think about what is the whole, what are the parts. So I can even label my number bond. This is the whole, and these are the parts. Okay, so the whole is how many sonics I have all together. For the parts is how many blue sonics and how many red sonics. So how many blue sonics do I have? 1, 2, 3, and that is just one part, so I know to put that in the part. So 3 blue sonics. Now, how many red sonics do I have? Right, I have 1 red sonic, so that goes in the other part. In my whole, this should tell me how many sonics I have all together. How many sonics do I have all together? Right, 4. Did you get that for your number bond? If you did, give yourself a check. Very good. Now let's move on to the next box. It says count by tens and then count by ones. So let's take a look. How many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many tens? 5 tens. How many ones do I have here? Right, I don't have any ones here, so I should put a 0 here. So what number do these tens and ones represent? Right, 50. Did you get that? Give yourself a check. If not, make sure you go back and fix your work. Okay, now for the mental math. I'm going to start at a number and you're going to go 2 less. That means you're going to show me the number that is 2 less. Okay, so for the first one, if my number was 8, what number is 2 less than 8? Right, if I have 8 and I take away 2, I get 6. Okay, so if my number was 5 and I go 2 less, what number is 2 less than 5? Right, the number that is 2 less than 5 is 3. Okay, so now for the last one. If I start at 10, what number is 2 less than 10? 2 less than 10. Right, the number that is 2 less than 10 is 8. Did you get these? Make sure you give yourself a check if you got these correct. If not, go back and fix it. Great job, guys.